What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Deja welcoming you back to Clockwise Crypto, where we bring you the latest crypto news and show you how to make money in this crypto space. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you're alerted every time we drop these videos. Okay, so jumping right into it, we're going to look at the crypto fear and greed meter and see how the market is today. And as you can see today, it's neutral. All right, it was also neutral yesterday. Last week, it was greed. And last month, it was extreme fear. All right, so it's still a good time right now while it's neutral to get into the market. I always say when it's fear or greed, fear or neutral, you should start looking to add different coins or projects to your portfolio. With fear, you know what they say, scared money don't make no money. All right, so jumping into our first article, I want to talk about this article where it says hackers steal $15.6 million from Ethereum-based lending protocol Inverse Finance. All right, so on this one, it's just talking about how hackers, they've targeted an open source protocol for lending again, and this time they compromised the company called Inverse Finance. Now the crooks made off with $15.6 million worth of crypto. The attackers targeted the Anchor money market, obtaining loans with minor collateral following manipulation of token prices to drive them down. Now, the blockchain security firm PeckShield, they claimed that the inverse of the attackers exploited a KEP 3R price oracle's vulnerability to steal the tokens. Now, the hacker injects $3 million worth of Ethereum into a decentralized exchange, and they use that to boost the price on the Keep 3R. Now, this is the third multi-million-dollar hack this in a week of DeFi protocol that highlights the evolving of these cyber criminals. All right. So the Inverse official said that the protocol collaborating with Chainlink to develop the new Oracle. All right. So you got to be careful, but we're going to follow the story. It's happening all around. With this one, it wasn't particularly customers. It was the actual lending company. So like I always said, diversify your money. Never keep your money just in one spot. I preach that all the time on this channel. All right. So moving into our next story, we're going to talk about, it says Ethereum remains in an uptrend and why Ethereum could surpass $3,600. All right. So if we go and look here on the charts, we'll see Ethereum, it did pass the 3,421 mark. 3,421 mark, and it broke out. It was resistance, and now it's support. So it broke out of that mark, and I retested that area, shot up a little more, and then now it's coming back down to retest that area again. So I think later this week, probably towards the end, it'll probably shoot past this and go to the next resistant level, which is around 39.50. Okay, so we'll see that. It might not be up there quite yet, but I definitely see it passing this level by the midweek. So maybe somewhere around here, 37.45 would probably be the minor set. Okay, so then let's take a look at Bitcoin and see how Bitcoin is doing today. All right, so as you can see, it is still consolidating in this little area right here, and it looks like it may shoot down to either retest this area or retest this minor support area. So either here or here. We'll see. We'll take a check on this in the next couple of days and see what it did. But I don't think it'll break this area. It's still bullish right now. It's in a bullish trend right now. So it's just doing a little consolidating before it starts to explode. So we'll keep an eye on that. All right, so on our next story, we're going to talk about how Spectrum, the messaging app, it's the new messaging app of the Web 3.0 era. All right. Now, the Web 3.0 is the next logical step in the human computing, and it could be even a greater shift than the Web 2.0 was. Now, it's built on core concepts like decentralization and openness, which allows users greater utility across all fields like messaging, games, metaverse, virtual reality applications, and trading digital assets. Now, the impact of the Web 3.0 will be extraordinary, considering how many people could potentially benefit from this technology and its research across different niches. All right, so they're a revolutionary new way to communicate, to trade, and invest in crypto assets. Now, it's built on the top of Solana, and it enables users to trade crypto assets just as easily as sending a text message. All right. Now, the message you send are encrypted and it's stored on a verified nodes in the Spectrum network, meaning hackers can never access them. Now, you'll never have to worry about your data being compromised again because they offer a distributed network with no single point of failure or information storage. Your messages are encrypted and protected from hacking attempts like those happening on Facebook, Messenger, even WhatsApp. WhatsApp's supposed to be like very secure or whatever. Now, the sign up process is the most secured and anonymous way to get started with cryptocurrencies. You only need a crypto wallet address, meaning full privacy for all users. So they don't really do KYC, which is know your customer. They don't do that. So just with your crypto wallet, you can open up and do everything you need to do. They also have record low fees and almost instant trades, thanks to Solana's capability of 700,000 transactions per second and an average cost per transaction of only 0.00025. It's not even a penny. Not even a penny. So with its messaging and trading capabilities, Spectrum is positioned to serve a growing market of over 3 billion messaging platform users and over $290 million crypto owners. The final goal is very ambitious but simple. They want to become the go-to messaging app of the Web 3.0 era, and I'm all here for that. All right. So jumping into our last story, we're going to look. It's saying ADA USD to break above 1.195 or whatever resistance level. So ADA USD is obviously, if you don't know, it is Cardano. And then if we take a look, I think, yeah, it hasn't broke it yet. Now, it did come up here and test this area. And right now it is, let's put a little line. Here's a little minor support right here. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of touches here, and then I'm going to change that so we know it's minor support to like yellow. Okay, I hope you can see that on there. But so it shot up here, and it's pretty much dancing around in this area. Let's see if I have the next resistance. No, I don't have the next resistance marked up, but it's pretty much dancing around in this area, consolidating. It did drop down to this support. I don't see it really going back here yet because it's in a very strong bullish trend right now. So just like Ethereum and Bitcoin we've seen, I feel it's going to go to this minor support level before breaking this resistance level. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on Cardano with this later on this week and just see what it did. Okay, so that concludes everything, all my stories for today. I want to thank you guys for joining me and watching the video. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Share this video with other crypto enthusiasts, and also like and share this video. All right, comment below also. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.